Now here friends, you see that we have these three sections. Okay, now friends, here you see that okay, yes, very good evening friends. And now here you see that we have our article 1, article 2 and article 3 coming one by one, because web browser always renders them into one by one order. Like the first it is section 1, and then in the next line here you get your section 2, and then after that you go into section 3. This is how the web browser renders your element, one in a line. Now you see our screen resolution. We have a screen resolution of this machine, particularly 1366 and 768. So 1366 pixel is the width and the height is 768. So you assume that this length is 1366 and this is 768. Now what I'm trying to do, I want three sections here. This is of the width 350 and the height 250. So this first one is coming at the right position. There is no problem with the section 1. It is just here. Now I want section 2 to go here in the center part. So I will change its position relative to where it's occurring, because it's occurring here. I want it to go from here to here first, and then from here it should go to this position. So to make it go from here to here, I have to make it move. Now look at this, is width for how much? 350, and this is margin 50. So 350 and 50, 400 plus this is 50. So it has to go by this value is 450. And now if I place minus 300 for this 250 plus this 50, then it will reach here. So now first let me provide the name to the section. Section ID is section 1, this is section 2, and this is section 3. We have three sections. Now they are coming one after another. Now I have to change their relative position. So I'll go into the cascaded style sheet, and then there I'll define these IDs. So as we have discussed, when we talk about the IDs, we will use the tag as hash. So hash section 1, then I write width, because all these sections are of same width. How much? 350 px, and then height 250 px, and I provide them a margin of 50 px, 50 pixel. Then I provide a background color just for understanding that where they are. So first let me make this one as green, yellow, and then I do just copy this one. So the first one, as you saw, it's coming properly. Then here I need to change its position relative to. So just write position relative, and then as we discussed, we need to make its left from left edge by value 450 px, and then height as minus 300, 250 for its height and 1 for its margin. Now let me save and let me run this. Now you see section 1 has reached here. I want section 2 be there. Section 1 should not be touched because I did not change this name. And let me change this color also, color blue. Okay, blue. Now same time let me do the task for section 3 also. So this one should be section 3, and then there you see I want this section now to move from here to here. So what is this? 50 plus 350, 400 plus 50, 450 plus 400, so it is 850, and then I provide some more, so 50, and then margin is for here also, so there should be some 50s, and 50 from this side, 50 from this side, so 100, so 350, 50, 400, 400, 400, 800, and then 100 more, so 900, and then the height will go 2 times, so 350 for this, and further 350 it will move minus 600. So here I make it minus 600, and left part will be 900 pixel. Now let me see. Okay, section 1, section 2, section 3, they are coming like this, so it has to go further up. Now let me go into the code. I think section 2 I have written height as minus 250, so this should be minus 600, and this should be minus 900. I think again it's a mistake, this is minus 300, this should be minus 600. Okay, let me save section 1, section 2, section 3. Any change? So 350 here, it is coming here, so I think there is some spelling mistake, definitely some mistake is there. Position relative is okay, and the width 350, 250, left height as minus 300 pixel, and the left is relative position. This one I just let him change the color. Just take any random color. Height 600 pixel. Control S, save it again. So the left and right part, left part is happening, this negative part is the section 1, section 2, position is relative. Where is the problem? 900 pixel, 600 pixel. Oh, it's not height, it should be top. Sorry, this is problem with this. You do not get any suggestion. If you are stuck, then you have to use your imagination to find out. So this is top because left and top. Now everything is fine. So now you see these 3 sections coming perfectly in the line. So this is how things are beautified. You can provide the border radius. So it is like HTML part is not that difficult. Difficult part is the cascading style sheet part. Still our web page now is looking little better, but lot of things still needs to be done. Thank you very much, and watch our next video. We'll discuss how to use anchors and how to provide some other section.